Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions and review of these brand new gel pens from Salon Perfect. Basically, it's gel polish in this tube that you're able to squeeze out onto a brush and paint your nails. With gel polish, you don't need a base coat or top coat. They did send me over all 6 of their shades, but I'm going to be demoing one of them. So if you are as curious as me to see how these work, just keep on watching. There are currently 6 shades in this collection, and they are exact replicas of the regular nail polishes that Salon Perfect has. So there's Pillow Talk, Tropicool Punch, Copacabana Girl, In Mint Condition, Vava Vroom, and Way Back When. These are exclusively available at Walmart, and I will leave the links below where you can check them out. The complete set also comes with this UV LED gel lamp that you can also buy separately at Walmart. Basically, it's just a simple gel lamp. It's super small and compact, so it's perfect for traveling, and it's super affordable. In the box, you get the lamp, instructions to use the lamp and how to cure your gel polish, as well as a cord to connect to a USB adapter. So here's the lamp itself. It's pretty basic. It has 6 LED lights, and you're able to open it up so it stands up to cure your nails, and then you just connect the cable it comes with to the back. It does not come with the USB adapter itself, but I've been using my iPhone charger adapter and it works just fine. And there's a little button on the back to turn the light on and off. You can cure this polish for 1 minute. So of course, me being a green lover, I wanted to try out the shade In Mint Condition. And here's the tube itself. At first it didn't feel like there was a lot of product in there, but I did realize that the polish is rather opaque, so the amount of product you get is good for a few manicures, I'm sure. So here I am trying to squeeze out the gel polish to the brush. You can see that it started to squeeze out. It was a little difficult at first, but once I started painting my nails, the brush kind of formed better to more easily paint your nails. So as I said, this was a little difficult at first, and as I kept squeezing, I had to continually kind of turn the brush to where the product was coming out of, but once I started painting my nails, especially with the second coat, it got a little easier. But as you can see, the opacity on this polish is fantastic, and it's really awesome that it's a one-step gel, so you don't need a base coat and you don't need a top coat. It just all cures as one, which is really convenient, and honestly, this really is a gel mani in a squeeze. It's just a very convenient product. It's a little unconventional, and it's probably not something I would immediately reach for because painting with this brush is a little different and might take a little bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, I feel like it could be a very useful product. Once I got all my nails painted, I did cure them under the lamp for 1 minute, and that seemed to do the trick. So here's a second coat. Honestly, that first coat was really opaque. There were a few patches on a few of my other nails, so I'm just adding a second coat. But like I said, I was really impressed with the opacity, and once the brush kind of got used to being squeezed and used, it was a lot easier to work with. I still had to kind of flip back and forth which side of the brush I was going to use because the product would either be on one side or the other. But other than that, it was fairly simple to use and pretty convenient. I had a lot of fun kind of using this tube. It was just something different, and I was really excited to try it out because a lot of times we just have those conventional gel polishes with the normal brushes and the normal bottles, so this is something really out of the box for Salon Perfect. And once again, when I finished this coat, I cured it again for 1 minute under the lamp. So here is my finished manicure, and it was really nice once it was finished curing. I didn't have to worry about a sticky layer or adding top coat. They're super shiny even without a top coat, so it's a really beautiful gel manicure, and I'm obsessed with this color because of course it's green. But overall, I think this is a really cool product. I love what Salon Perfect is trying to do here. It's super convenient. Personally, would I purchase this on my own? Probably not, just because I have hundreds of gel polishes already. But if you're looking for a fun new product to try out that's super affordable and is just kind of fun to use, then definitely check this out from Walmart. Again, I will leave the links below where you can check it out. I don't know, I really liked it. I thought it was fun to use. I don't think it's something I would use on a regular basis, but it's fun to play around with if you guys are interested in checking it out and playing around with those other 6 colors. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please be sure to let me know in the comments what you think of this product. It's super different. I haven't seen anything really like it before, so definitely let me know what your thoughts are and if you'll be picking it up. And I will see you at my next one. Bye.